Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny, you can call me Jen, and some of the things I like to talk about and share on my channel are these things here. So today on Craft-O-Manic, I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how you can chalk paint some chairs, some fabric chairs, or like a fabric couch. Crossing fingers this will work out. So the first thing you're going to need is a nice foam roller, some fabric medium, a spray water bottle with water in it. You're going to need your favorite chalk paint or the colors that you want to chalk paint your chairs or your couch. I picked out two different grades from Joann's. In fact, everything here, minus the spray water bottle, is from Joann's. You're also going to need some kind of a container, paint container. In my case, I used some Tupperware, and a tip is to cover it in either aluminum foil or my favorite is press and seal wrap. And then you can just literally pull it all off and throw it away, and your container or the item that you used is not covered in paint. The first thing I'm going to do is shake up my chalk paints really well, and I'm going to dump equal parts into my container here, and you will see in a minute that I get a popsicle stick, which you'll need something to stir your paint, and you'll also want to wear some gloves, especially if you have your nails done. I do my own nails, so I don't want to ruin them, so I put some gloves on, and I also got a sheet to lay down underneath my chairs. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this lid off, as you can see, and get the paint poured. Busy painting, so I had no idea my camera stopped filming. But the first thing you want to do is spray your whole entire piece with your spray water bottle and let the fabric kind of absorb the water. Then roll on your paint really easy. I had to stop because I ran out of paint, but as you can see on the back of the chair there specifically, you can see the pattern kind of coming through, so it's going to definitely need a second coat. But again, I ran out of paint, so I have to refill up my tray here and get back to painting. So I went ahead and filled up my tray with the rest of the paint. It was like half and half. So I did equal parts, and then I did 5 capfuls of the medium and mixed it again and finished rolling on the paint. Again, it was so easy, you just roll it on. There's no trick to it, and it rolls on really easy and really smooth. So I am going to let it dry, and in the meantime I'm gonna have to go back to Joann's and buy more paint because it really sucked up that paint and used up all of it. So I'm going to need more to do the other chair, but for now I'm going to let the chair dry, and I'm going to head back to Joann's to get more supplies so I can do take 2, y'all. Stay tuned. The more that it has dried, the more that I like it. Like, the gray is perfect, and I think it looks good with like your galvanized metals and stuff like that. So I'm really happy with the color, but it's definitely going to need, you know, another coat. You guys, it is the next day. It's completely dry, and let's just say epic fail. Yeah, hard, crunchy. My teenage son sat down on it and said it feels like sandpaper. My husband sat down on it and said, ew, oh my gosh. Okay, so the fabric medium did say on most fabrics, so maybe I didn't have the right fabric medium, although I can only find the one at Joann's. So perhaps a different fabric medium, perhaps more fabric medium, perhaps spraying the piece with more water, letting it absorb more. I do not know. I did my research, but it didn't work out. I also did not sand the piece, so perhaps sanding it would have made it softer, but I have no desire to sand it and do another coat. So I never got more paint or more products. I just kept my chair the way it is and covered it with a blanket. And yes, you're seeing a sneak peek. I am teaming up with Treetopia. They reached out to me and I'm doing like a Halloween tree. And so this is going to be another video that's coming to you guys. I have to make my own decorations. But anyways, I stuck the other chair in front of the tree, covered it with a blanket, and it's going to work for now. It's not a complete epic fail because my friend told me and shared this link to some chairs that a guy was giving away for free, and I'm going to share those with you guys right now. So if you want to chalk paint some furniture, I would try on like one of those fabric kitty chairs first and go from there. I'd also do a little bit more research. So this wasn't a complete epic fail because, again, I got some really awesome free chairs. They're not really my pattern or style at all, but I don't even know how I would recover them, and I'm definitely not going to chalk paint them. Believe it or not, they work in this space, and I'm just going to leave them as is. They have beautiful nail trim, like brad heads or whatever, all the way around the chair and even around the bottom or the base. So as much as the fabric and the style really isn't me, I feel like they work. They kind of have like a farmhouse boho thing going, or I'm going to call it that anyway. And believe it or not, the colors in the chairs actually go quite well with my downstairs family room. So I'm pretty tickled. I mean, I can't beat a beautiful pair of chairs with solid wood, good structure. They came from a beautiful neighborhood, a beautiful home, so they were taken care of. I feel like I scored. So anyways, I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this video to some music, and I'm just going to share my downstairs family room. And as always, if there's something you guys see that you're interested in, please leave me a comment down below, and I will be sure to answer your guys' question. And I will check in maybe later on in the video, but for now, enjoy. Did want to mention that one thing I'm definitely going to do now is replace the rug because it's busy on busy. The chairs are busy enough. I don't want a busy rug, so we'll probably be like one of those kind of woven beige taupe rugs, not a jute rug because they shed, but somewhere along those lines. I'll also replace the bins in my TV console. Yes, love decor hiding ugly things like plug outlets. But yeah, the bins, they're the same pattern as the rugs, so I'll replace those with probably some cute woven baskets and then do like a nice kind of woven rug. The Let's Stay Home sign is from Sincerely Us shop, and I will link them down below. Those galvanized bucket tins are from Hobby Lobby, and then some greenery from Michaels. The wood planked wall is by Timber Chic. I can link them down below as well. My gray sectional is from Ashley Home Furniture. Fig tree I got from Michaels like 2 springs ago, and it's sitting inside of an antique crock. See, there's those cute busy bins. They'll look cute in my boy's bedroom, but yeah. The pattern with the pattern chair and the pattern rug is a no-no, so I can't wait to replace those. I mean, you can't beat free, right? I still can't believe this couple was giving these away for free. They're so well made. I'm in love with them. I think once I have the rug replaced and those 2 bins replaced, I'm going to love the space all together and it will flow better. This sign, as well as the other sign on the other side of the mirror, are from Adams & Company. I don't know if they still sell them, but I will link them down below. The blanket ladder was actually a ladder to my boys' bunk beds a couple years ago, and I just turned it into a blanket ladder. That beautiful mirror I got from Home Goods a few years ago. And then down below the 2 chairs, I put this thrifted basket in between the chairs with some home decor magazines. Sometimes in life we have epic fails, but maybe that's because there's something more epic that's in the future, like getting a free pair of nice chairs. Hello! Thank you, Emily, if you watch this, for giving me the shout out on those chairs. So until I see you guys again in the next video, I hope you guys like, subscribe, and I love you guys so much. See ya! Bye-bye!
Something happening here.
Stop.
Do you like that chair? Is it comfy? Okay, good.
I have an old grandma.